the latest Channel Insights video from Xtu. Today, we're exploring 3 strategies proven to boost sales 30 to 40%. Whether you're a small business owner, a sales manager, or just curious about sales strategies, these real-world examples will showcase innovative ways to skyrocket your sales figures. Let's dive in. 1. Reward customers with points for meeting an annual sales volume threshold. This U.S. distributor of plumbing, HVAC, and electrical products rewarded customers for their purchases. The program featured a great, clearly communicated value prop, an easy-to-understand reward point structure, an online reward catalog with millions of things customers could spend their points on, including merchandise and personal travel options, chances to earn bonus rewards, such as double points promotions for qualifying products, and custom reward options, like a trip to see the local NFL team play. Using this approach, the distributor increased product sales by 40%. 2. Reward channel partners for quotes in target locations. The next example is a manufacturer of energy-efficient technologies. This company rewarded distributors for getting quotes in target locations, as well as submitting small orders containing qualifying products. The program included a robust program onboarding campaign, training with gamification, including quizzes, and a public leaderboard that encouraged a little friendly competition. The result: participants in the reward program sold 32% more products on average than non-participating distributors, and the company achieved 20% margin growth. 3. Reward dealers for submitting product registrations. The last example is a multi-million-dollar vehicle manufacturer. They rewarded their dealers with points for submitting product registrations. The program featured a document upload tool that dealers could access with their phones, making it easy to snap a picture of product registrations on the spot, upload them to the reward program, and instantly earn points. As a result, the manufacturer dramatically increased their access to valuable customer data and increased sales 40%. And there you have it. 3 powerful strategies that have transformed sales for businesses just like yours. Implementing these approaches could be your key to unlocking phenomenal sales growth. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights to elevate your business.